Hi, I'm Jialin Yao. I come from China. Now I'm studying with Maestro Sergei Babayan at the Juilliard School in New York City. For this time, I will present one solo recital and one concerto here. And for the solo recital, my subject is beauty and death. So, for the first half of my recital, I will play Chopin Barcarolle, and following piece is Tchaikovsky Ballet Suite Sleeping Beauty. For the second half of my recital, I will present Prokofiev 8th Sonata. For the concerto, I will play my favorite Rachmaninoff Seventh Concerto. I hope you will enjoy my solo recital. So looking forward to see you in Sachili. Bye bye.